Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 6, Lesson 10. Today we're going to be talking about what if there is a 0 in our quotient? What if we're doing our division and our number on the outside, our divisor, doesn't go into it? What do we do? So in division, a quotient will sometimes contain zeros, so let's look at some examples of that. So for our first example here, we have the Ramos family, and they're going on a vacation to the behind-the-scenes tour of a wildlife reserve in a park. How much will it cost for each family member to go on the tour? We've got to look at our friendly table. This is called a table right here. Okay, so it says the cost of the tour for 3 people is $327. So how much would it be for one person? We're going to need to divide to figure that out. We're going to need to take 327 and divide it by 3. So let's do that. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1. Divide, multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. And subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 2 divided by 3. Oh no. If I only have 2 apples and 3 baskets, can I give each basket 1 apple? No, I can't. I can't. So if I can't do something, I need to put a 0 there. Let me show you what we do. Same thing as everything else that we do, right? 0 times. I cannot put a 3 if I only have 2, right? If I'm counting by 3s, I don't get anywhere near 2. I'm too big already with just 1 3. So I have to do 0 3s. 3 times 0 is 0, and subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Multiply. 3 times 9 is 27. And subtract. There's nothing else to bring down. So my answer is $109. So there we go. Each person costs $109 to go on this behind-the-scenes tour of a wildlife reserve in a park. Let's try another example. The Kincaid family is also going on vacation. They have to drive 415 miles to get to and from Dolphin Cove. How far is it to Dolphin Cove? So to go there and to come back is 415 miles. So to figure out one way, I need to divide that by 2. Okay, here we go. Divide. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. And subtract. 0. Bring it on down. 1 divided by 2. If I count by 2s, can I get to 1? 2, 4. 1, 2 is too much. So that means 0 2s. Multiply. 2 times 0 is 0. And subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring it on down. And bring it on back. Now we're going to divide. 15 divided by 2 is 7. Right? If I count by 2s, that's what I'm doing here, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Can't do another one because I'll be more than 15. 7 2s get there. Multiply. 2 times 7 is 14. And subtract. 15 minus 4 is 1. Can't bring anything else down, so my remainder is 1. Okay, so the distance to Dolphin Cove is a little more, reading right here, than 207 miles. So 415 divided by 2 is 207. Remainder 1. Let's check with multiplication. 207 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 more is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. I get 414, which is not 415, But don't forget, we need to add in our remainder. Then I get 415. Check. All right, here we go. I'm going to do number 2 here. 617 divided by 2. All right, here we go. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. And subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 1 divided by 2 is 0. Multiply. 2 times 0 is 0. And subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 17 divided by 2 is, well, I can get to 16. 2 8s are worth 16. 8. Multiply. 2 times 8 is 16. And subtract. Remainder 1. We don't have anything else to bring down, so our remainder is just 1. Okay, it says use multiplication to check. So let's multiply 2 on the outside by our quotient, 308. 308. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. So I'd get up to 616. But don't forget to add in the remainder, 617, which checks out.